Danny and the Dinosaur, The Big Sneeze, written by Bruce Hale, illustrated in the style of Sid Hoff by Charles Grosvenor. It was a rainy day, but a fun day. Danny and the Dinosaur got drenched. "See you tomorrow," they said to each other. But the next day Danny woke up with a sore throat and sniffles. And the Dinosaur had a little cough. "You're staying in bed, buddy," said Danny's father. "And I'm taking care of you," said his mother. "But I'm not that sick, Mom," said Danny. "Better safe than sorry," she said. At the museum, the director told the Dinosaur, "You need to take a day off." "But I'm not that sick," said the Dinosaur. "Get some rest," said the director. Danny's mother covered him in lots of blankets to keep him warm and cozy. The museum director did his best to make the Dinosaur comfortable. Danny's mother brought him chicken soup for his sore throat. The director brought the Dinosaur some water for his cough. The day seemed longer than forever. There was nothing to do but lie in bed. Danny and the Dinosaur felt bored. Danny phoned the Dinosaur. "Sorry I can't play today. I'm sick in bed." "Me too," said the Dinosaur. "Being sick is no fun. Feel better soon." Danny's mom brought out an old jigsaw puzzle. The director let the Dinosaur play with the jigsaw puzzle too. Danny's mother played cards with him to pass the time. At the museum, the Dinosaur tried playing rock, paper, scissors, but the cavemen were no fun. Danny sneezed, "Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!" His mother brought him tissues. But when the Dinosaur sneezed, "Achoo!" everybody ran and hid. At the end of the day, Danny and the Dinosaur each curled up in their own beds with a good book and got plenty of rest. The next morning, Danny and the Dinosaur woke up feeling much better. They were well enough to go outside. "How was your sick day?" Danny asked. "Not bad," said the Dinosaur. "But nothing beats feeling better," said the Dinosaur. "Except maybe spending time with your best buddy," said Danny. The end.